Hello everyone, welcome to today's lecture. In our today's lecture, we are going to learn about different cases that happened while TCP connection was terminated. So the first case is a normal case. So in the normal case, we already seen that client sends a FIN segment or the final segment to the server acknowledgement to that final segment, and also send their own final segments, and the client responds to that final segment and send the acknowledgement to the server, and that is how the connection was terminated. So this is called the normal case. In this situation, no error was occurred. Yes, so now the different cases or different scenarios are also there while connection termination. So let's see. The second case is a final acknowledgement lost. So as shown in the figure, here we can see that while client sends the last acknowledgement and that acknowledgement was lost, so at that time how the connection was terminated. So this is the question. So to understand it, the different case is a final acknowledgement lost. So if the final acknowledgement is lost, then the situation is saved by the timer. When the timer expires, the connection released anyway. Yes, so here DR means a datagram. It means a data packets or the message sent by the client. So client sends a datagram packets or the FIN segment to the server. Server responds to that segment and say that it is okay to release the connection. Now client sent the acknowledgement of that FIN segment, and that time the acknowledgement was lost. So at that situation, connection is still remain open till the timer release. So when the timer expires, at that time only the connection was terminated. So at the server side, connection open till the timer expires. So this is how connection was terminated. In this case when final acknowledgement lost. So this is the second case. The third case is a response lost. So here client sends a datagram packet to the server, and server sends a response and acknowledgement to that datagram packet. So that response and acknowledgement was lost. So what happened on that situation, that how connection was terminated? So in that situation, because client doesn't receive any expected response from the server, so client time out that connection, or we can say that client terminate that session and again start the new timer and again send the new datagram packet to the server, and now server respond to that datagram packets to the client. So client successfully received the datagram packets from server and sent the acknowledgement of the connection release. So this is how connection was released if datagram packet sent by the server was lost. So at that situation, client terminate the session, again create a new session, and again send the datagram packet to the server. So this is how the situation is managed when the response was lost. And the last and fourth situation is response lost and subsequent datagram packet also lost. So here we can see that here client sends the datagram packet to the server. Server sends a datagram packet to the client, but at that time the packet was lost. Yes, so this situation is handled by the client. That client create a new session and send the new datagram packet to the server. But here in this case, that new created packet was also lost. So what happened in this situation, or what happened in that type of situation? So if host A sends a datagram packet and it received by the host B, then host B sends a datagram and it lost. Again host A sends a subsequent datagram packet to the server and it also lost. So after time session expires, connection automatically terminated. Here both the side response was not received. Here client does not receive any response, here server does not receive any response. So on both the side response was not received. So at that situation, on both sides wait for each other, and on both the side connection was open till connection was released, or till the connection was the timeout, or we can say that it opened until the session expires. So this is how connection termination is done if response was lost and also the subsequent data packet is also lost. So these are the four scenario that is happened during the connection termination. First is a normal case. In this case no any error occurred. Second is a final acknowledgement lost. In that case it terminate the connection when timer expires. Third is a response lost, and if the response lost by the server, so at that time client again create a new session, terminate the old session and send the data packet to the server. Fourth is response lost and subsequent data packets are also lost. So at that time the connection is automatically terminated when the session expires. So this is how the TCP connection termination is happened. So that's it. Thank you so much for listening. Have a great day.